Today we're going to talk about how to use Immersive Reader. So you can go into any course, and so I'm going to pick this one. And then let's say that you have your students going into the first module, and let's say you've got a page that has a bunch of information or a bunch of writing on it. Up in the top right hand corner, there should be Immersive Reader for you and for your students. You can click on Immersive Reader, and then from here, there's a few things that you can do. Down here at the bottom, where the play button is, you can hit play and it'll start reading to you. And then right over here beside of it is your voice settings. So when you click on that, you can speed the voice up, you can slow it down, or you can change it from male to female. And those are the options that you have for the voice that reads. Up here in the top right-hand corner, we have a few options. We have text preferences, so we can make the font bigger and we can make the font smaller. We can change the font. We can change it to different themes, so if one is better than the other one for a student, they can do that. The next thing is the grammar. You can turn on where it will show syllables. You can turn on where it will identify nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. And so I'm going to turn all those on. And then you can see here all of these are purple, so they are nouns. But I can change the color of that if I need to, if there's a different color that works better. And so here you can see as I scroll down the page, I will identify verbs, adjectives, those kinds of things as you scroll, and your students can identify those. You can turn them on and off as you need to. And then the last one, the book here, you have something called line focus. So if you turn it on, it will focus on just one line. If you have the first one clicked, it will focus on 3 lines, or it will focus on 5 lines, and that's up to you if you have that on or off. The picture dictionary is on, and I'll show you what that is in just a second. I'm going to come back over here and turn the syllables off. So like here, this says calendar. I can click on the word calendar, and it shows me a picture of a calendar, and I can click the voice box there for it to read that to me. And so you can do that with any words. Not all words will have a picture dictionary, but you can still have that pop up. And so sometimes when you have a word that has different meanings, like the word course, it will pop up different meanings. So like here, this would be talking about like taking a course, like in school, this would be like a meal, a course. And then this is like an obstacle course, or, something that you run kind of thing. And so it will show you the different versions of that word through pictures if you have the picture dictionary on. And then the last thing here that Immersive Reader can do is translate. So let's say that you have an EL student and they are learning English. You can have them translate it to their native language, and it will read to them there as well. So let's go here, translate it to Spanish. And if you hit document, it'll go ahead and translate the whole document for you. And then you can hit play, and it'll read to you in Spanish as well. And so all you have to do is go back to the book and turn that off. And then it will go back to English. And so that is Immersive Reader. That is a great way to help students who are learning English, who are trying to learn grammar, who might need the read aloud or something like that. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you.